situation to steal me. After some research, the Hornady Rapid Gun Safe seems to be the best option for what I was looking for. If you couldn't tell, this thing looks like a retro digital clock. It looks like something that people wouldn't necessarily want to steal if they were in a dash to get in and get out with the most valuable things possible, and I think that's the biggest appeal of the Rapid Gun Safe. It's unassuming to say the least. Glass front panel display, which contains an RFID reader, clock display, access code keypad, and the battery backup panel. In talking about this panel, I should talk about how we get access to the inside of the safe, and there are 3 ways to do so. First, the safe comes with a set of tubular keys. These are used to open the safe from the back if you so choose, and as a backup when it's not possible to use the other methods. The next way to open the safe is by using the access code keypad. This system allows for a 46-digit combination to be set and used. Finally, we have the RFID reader that's hidden behind the clock display. This is used in conjunction with registered RFID tags to open the safe in the fastest way possible. Included with the Rapid Gun Safe is 1 watch band tag, 1 key fob tag, and 2 stick-on decal tags. Hornady does offer various other RFID tag options at an additional cost, but keep in mind that only 5 tags can be registered with this safe at a time. Inside the safe, we get an interior dimension of 2.2 inches high by 9.2 inches wide by 6.9 inches deep. I do want to note that there is a rubber tray inside the drawer, and I'm not sure if the listed interior dimensions accounts for this, as it does take up some space. The tray is removable, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing that because there are some visible wiring under it. There's probably less chance of damage to the unit if the tray is used. Now, this safe can of course be used for anything, but as the name implies, it is intended to be a safe that gives the users rapid access to their gun. For reference, here is a Glock 19 Gen 5 in the safe. As you can see, the 19 fits perfectly fine when the slide is pointing side to side. The 19 will not fit with the slide pointing front to back. If you want to orientate a pistol pointing front to back, you need something the size of a Glock 43X, which is just a bit smaller than the exact width. And of course, anything smaller would work. With the 43X, there's a few millimeters of extra space on either end to get it in there comfortably. Moving to the back of the safe, we have 2 USB-A 2.0 outlets and the 12-volt power connector. In conjunction with 12-volt power, you can use 4 AA batteries to provide backup power in case there is a power outage. Overall, I really like this safe, but there are a few things I want to bring up. However, the drawer only partially opens by itself. The user still has to fully pull the drawer out in order to access the firearm. If you have 5 tags registered and only want to delete 1, you can't do that. You'll have to delete them all and register all the ones that you want to use again. It's just a clumsy way to go at it, but at least it's not likely something that users will have to deal with over and over again. It's more of a set it and forget it approach, and in that sense, this is more of an annoyance than a real issue. If you're interested in this safe, check out the links in the description below, which leads you to places where you can purchase it. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it around, comment down below with any thoughts or questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content, and if you want to support my work, consider hitting the join button down below and become a member of this channel.
Today we're excited to show you our small hidden gun storage bookcase. Here Gordon is unlocking and sliding front the frame of the bookcase and then pulling out the gun storage behind. This allows for 2 rifles or shotguns and small handguns or ammo.